Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I wasn't able to upload a video last week. It was kind of crazy here with the elections going on, but here I am, and today I'm gonna show you a short video of my one-bedroom apartment. I've been living here for like 10 years. The boys grew up here and now they're out of here, but they still have their stuff here and they don't want me to take it out, so I'm leaving it alone. I still have a lot of things to organize, plus I need some, like a desk and a chair so that I could do my beadworks, which I make bracelets and necklaces and earrings. So one day I'll show you how to do that, but before that, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. So here's a short video and I hope you'll enjoy it. So that was a tour of my really small apartment, except the bedroom though. I'm not ready to show you that because I still have a lot of things to do in my bedroom. When it's ready, I'll do another one. But I hope you like the video. Again, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button for more videos. Everyone, please take care. Until my next video, God bless.